here with the most important question. Yes, in this session, we will be discussing the most repeatedly asked, most frequently asked, most important question from the chapter 5, life processes. Yes, without wasting much time, let's see the question. Here it is. As you are already familiar with a lot of assertion and reason type question, here is another assertion and reason for you from the chapter life process, and yes, this is going to be a most important one. Yes, directions. In the following questions, a statement of assertion A is followed by the statement of reason R. Mark the correct choices as. Yes, let's see. Option A, both A and R are true and reason is the correct explanation of the assertion. Option B, both A and R are true but reason is not the correct explanation of A. And option C, assertion is true but reason is false. And finally, assertion is false and reason is true. So this is how an assertion and reason type of question will be given to you, and you need to solve the question by using your brain. Yes, here is the question. Assertion. In anaerobic respiration, one of the end product is alcohol. Yes, it's a pretty direct question from your NCERT text. In anaerobic respiration, so you just need to know what anaerobic respiration is, where it is being done, what's the result of anaerobic respiration, and then the assertion and reason is clear cut to you. Yes, let's see the reason. There is an incomplete breakdown of glucose. Is the incomplete breakdown of glucose the reason for the end product of anaerobic respiration being alcohol? It's a simple, direct question, but you just need to know the science behind anaerobic respiration. So first, let's see what is anaerobic and aerobic respiration is. And from this box, it's pretty clear to you that aerobic respiration is something that takes place in the presence of air, while anaerobic respiration is something which is happening in the absence of air. Since we are focusing in the anaerobic respiration for this particular question, let's see the most important points from the anaerobic respiration. Here it is. Oxygen is not at all required, and this will be taking place in the cytoplasm. The end product is going to be alcohol. Yes, it can be ethanol plus CO2 plus energy. Yes, the end product is going to be alcohol or ethanol plus CO2 plus energy. And yes, compared with the aerobic respiration, the amount of energy released will be very low in anaerobic respiration. And this can be taking place mainly in yeast, bacteria, etc. I hope the content is clear now. Since the content is clear now, let's see the easy flowchart to put it in your mind. Here it is. How a breakdown of glucose takes place through various pathways. Here it is. Glucose is a 6-carbon molecule which will be breaking down into a 3-carbon molecule plus energy inside the cytoplasm of the cell. Yes, and this breaking down can take place in aerobic or anaerobic condition. Here it is. If it is taking place in the presence of oxygen, that is aerobic respiration, and the product is CO2 plus water plus energy. And this can also take place in the lack of oxygen. For example, it can take place in the muscle cells of our body when we are doing a strenuous exercise. And you can see the result as lactic acid plus energy. And the question it is asked about the absence of oxygen or the anaerobic respiration. Here the results are ethanol, carbon dioxide and energy. So ethanol, which is a 2-carbon compound, is formed as a result of this incomplete breakdown of glucose. So this is what is asked in the question. And now the question is clear to you. Assertion, which is in anaerobic respiration, one end product is alcohol and the reason is an incomplete breakdown of glucose. So it is pretty clear to you that the option of this assertion and reason type of question is option A. Which is option A? Option A, where both assertion and reason are true and the reason is the correct explanation of the assertion. That's it. This is how you point out to an assertion and reason type of question and you solve it. That's it. We are done. Thank you.